My dear student, how are you? Hope you are well and welcome to online class 2020. Last day we discussed lesson 1 and today we shall discuss lesson 2. The name of the topics is the heating up of earth. The Bangla meaning is পৃথিবীর উত্তপ্ত হওয়া. Like last day, at first we shall discuss the keywords or the root words of the passage. So attention please and listen to me and try to read with me. Every keywords minimum 5 times have to read loudly. So please read with me. Heat up, uttapto hawa. 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 Responsible die, responsible die, responsible die, responsible die. Fuel jalani, fuel jalani, fuel jalani, fuel jalani. Oil tel, oil tel, oil tel, oil tel. Coal koila, coal koila, coal koila, coal koila. Pollution dushan, pollution dushan, pollution dushan, pollution dushan, pollution dushan. Carbon dioxide, carbon dioxide. Atmosphere বায়ুমণ্ডল, atmosphere বায়ুমণ্ডল, atmosphere বায়ুমণ্ডল, atmosphere বায়ুমণ্ডল, atmosphere বায়ুমণ্ডল. The passage is taken from the booklet Mr. Anwar gave to Arif and Samina. আরিফ এবং সামিনাকে দেওয়া পুস্তিকা থেকে নেওয়া হয়েছে এই প্যাসেজটি. Read the passage carefully. As there are a lot of students in Bangladesh are solo, so they can't understand English medium class easily. That is why sometimes I shall say Bangla for understanding. Now I am reading out the passage. Listen to me. The sun is getting hotter. সূর্য উত্তপ্ত হচ্ছে. It is also very old. এর বয়স অনেক বেশি. It is about 4,500 million years old. এর বয়স 4,500 মিলিয়ন বছর. The Earth's climate has been changing for all those years. এতগুলো বছরে পৃথিবীর জলবায়ু পরিবর্তন হচ্ছে. But the climate is heating up much faster now. কিন্তু বর্তমানে জলবায়ুর উত্তাপ আরো অনেক বাড়ছে. Humans and their machines are responsible for the rapid heating up of the earth. মানুষ এবং তাদের যন্ত্রপাতি এই পৃথিবীর তাপমাত্রা দ্রুত বৃদ্ধির জন্য দায়ী. Almost all machines are fuels such as oil, gas or coal. প্রায় সমস্ত মেশিনই তেল, গ্যাস, কয়লার মতো জ্বালানি ব্যবহার করে. All of them are polluting environment. সবকিছুই পরিবেশ দূষণ করছে. Much of this pollution contains a gas called carbon dioxide. এই দূষণের সবচেয়ে যে বেশি জড়িত থাকে তার নাম হচ্ছে কার্বন ডাইঅক্সাইড. It is the gas which pollutes the atmosphere. এই গ্যাসই বায়ুমণ্ডলকে দূষিত করছে. In exam from this passage may have true false, gap filling, short question, multiple choice and A column B column. But in the book there has been given some true false. So let's discuss and try to give answer. True false. If false, give the correct information. The first sentence is the Earth's climate has been changing for 4,500 million years. The Bangla meaning of the sentence is পৃথিবীর জলবায়ু 4,500 মিলিয়ন বছর ধরে পরিবর্তন হচ্ছে. According the passage, the sentence is true. So we can say true. Number 2, the second sentence is only the machines are responsible for the earth getting hotter. The Bangla meaning of the sentence is শুধুমাত্র যন্ত্রপাতি পৃথিবীর তাপমাত্রা বৃদ্ধির জন্য দায়ী. According to the passage, the sentence is false because not only machine but also human beings, or we can say humans and their machines are responsible for the rapid heating of the earth. So the true answer will be true answer will be humans and their machines are responsible for the rapid heating up of the earth. Number 3, coal is on a fuel. Bangla meaning koyla ek prokar jalani. It is true according to the passage. Number 4, carbon dioxide gas pollutes the environment. Carbon dioxide পরিবেশকে দূষণ করে. It is absolutely true because among all the gases, carbon dioxide is the most harmful gas. So it is absolutely correct. So we can say true. Number 5, now the sun is not as hot as it was 10 years ago. 10 বছর আগে সূর্য যেমন উত্তাপ ছিল এখন তেমন নেই. It is false according to the passage. So the correct answer will be the sun is hotter than as it was 10 years ago. Next year we shall discuss lesson 3. Hope you will follow the class. And I am strongly requesting you to stay home and wear masks because it is winter now. So you must follow the rules of hygiene and don't mix with others carelessly because at first you must have to save your life. Next other attacks. So everyone should follow the rules of hygiene. No more today. Stay safe, stay careful, be careful. All the best.